Obi beka say, Kevin Taylor, why you juma? NDC about power, Mahama about power. Sit back. I'm not going to sit back. I am going to still make sure say maybe mu kwasi ade so akai Ghana. Make Ghana for akopim some party ni ebegu. Near the TK VIP. Na me jai. I just want to make sure that party never exists on this planet. The President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama Kasa, the oral uncovers 33 corruption cases against past appointees. President Mahama Eba power, or any campaign, or opposition, or say, or better be a friend oral. Omo no mba hwehwe nyomem no mu se kronu bia ba ombe for the nyoma de ma the Attorney General and Yoko for them to officially take over and investigate to say sebio ade no mo ka no kure wo eye MPP aban omo mo bebu ye fa so wi ayisika no omo nya cases 33 and those 33 cases are ready for the Attorney General to prosecute because ye be tina nka say we de ye ba power now we ba power da ben and they are going to prosecute all these people. They are going to make sure all these people go to jail. They are going to make sure that party no boni amudi no na asiedi ketia e kan semi. Time at time we need power. Okuriata ekofa obotan deal ba ya obebu senate for e fast. JJ Rollins catch at Amel say onchi Ofuriata ntu. Forensic audit was done on obotan deal now. Can Ofuriata Elio Senate stole over 500 million, almost 5 billion in 2009. Maybe I'm catch them. Me nya ba yira aberwa me nya easy sao. We ye before now sa scano. And JJ Rollins catch at Amel say Shesako adi shem. Forensic audit came out to say Ken Ofuriata has defrauded Ghanaians. Senate na a pension for sika. Ken Ofuriata create a ghost company and on it Senate for Ekoye club a partnership and we askani nyina and akwasi apenyiwe atamels father for all uja Ofuriata mani kwasha abrochire and ye tikrom ha and Ofuriata ko no kodane no ho and okoshe white shirt and osabaye obaye no and ye jiminti MPP nkwasi afo odwin say ye jiminti omo share no white shirt and osabaye and obe finish ye totally. And John Mahama ba na say mo amodi bone no we are actually going after you. I will say this is witch hunting. What bodam o person fight witch hunting and go to court. You want to hide behind party and protect criminals? That is not going to happen in Ghana. Into the be sorry yes about power you be say if you think that is a deterrent send a government no any abandoning to me the omo ye mo na mo say John Mahama to me take action you will see your smoothness level. Into 33 cases are ready for prosecution and people are going to rot and die in jail. Majority of you the NPP appointees but it is coming. You people are criminals. Just say team no what the NPP doesn't like and they say oh chira wa adwene enye free say adwene chira en free omo that is the mentality of the NPP and typical asantini kakra or NPP that is adwene danitrim. Say any dia also be atiasie na say other view there nobody should understand and the old ataye me John Magana for who I was said John Mahama and NDC for 33 cases way they need to prosecute every single one of them. So 4 years John Mahama into me and prosecuting nyina you be demonstration by John Mahama satina so ewie nyina in 8 years. Yes. We got what about them? Me say 33 cases way we will make sure every single one of them is prosecuted or it's dealt with. So John Mahama and we 33 way in 4 years you better you krum you better demonstration you better force Ghana for and be democratically you start force John Mahama manatna so and me finish case no there was one tiase no on come nsia ana mo say ekro no nipa bi dia mobo kro no ana makosha politics echi oh me dem MPP ni na obi tumi tina TV say adana yoku question chairman wontumi na chairman wontumi aboa we o chen hwan chairman wontumi ono ani krobufo asantefo say no mokafa no ho chairman wontumi aboa kromfo we obi ntia say and the year question chairman wontumi who the hell is chairman wontumi who is chairman wontumi oye hwan
abani ni dikra mani beje ho pa abani ni dia oh mani beje ho me MPP ni bet no kra na meka no enye me wontumi ye me butuani chama wontumi papa na di me fia akonya ye friend na nantwi bosi akon nti chama wontumi ye me bra straight ana me problem a odi abra ye busuafo ye okroma ne say obi ehun a ohun say obi bi ni wontumi a ana wo bra beje kwan say oye wontumi anya nti ye kra problem a wo mu ha no enye ye kra na ye contact ne fan say busuafo ye wa ne enka me say o se kwan we oje gates be ye me wan say kwan no obi a waje gates de e kwan de ye nwi kwan ho say oje gates a enti ahana na nya ka na ne machines ni na bi dia esi ubusa kroma obi abeka achew
adoaro o me de me de pa chama unti so abogana for form contract na o keka se wagigi nyina na ye me ya me kwa comment video bi ase se ahaka ho
chama untumi na nkasa me hunu kromu hada a wode ne machines excavators any pillowers anyaka akro de begu kromu akra na nya agro oh first na quota wo so onam so a hu na ye potholes ba ku mienu bi keke hwe ebi kra mponi so enso senior since that time now omudwi ye no emfuturo ne accident nko na ekun kwan
accident
omo ye rare nkra Mahama menim ho na ne cars no benya accident ni so mo nim dia
accident Mahama
cars na di na chire pickups no
ebenya accident ho
obenya cars two cars me farm na nim ho a
chama untimi o man dem because je wo ye na wanye ne ye sika no nya wo dia ye se fa ko ye no yenjeli no
dia wo ye ne abro pa na wo ye no
ha no
ai
eju no abumba sisa gold ni fin na mo fa
efiri amanchia kuro bi wo ho no mo so duru ho na otu sa anwea na egoru wo mu to wo hese goru wo anwea no ma on fa no begu kwan no so da o ma mo na be twem chama untimi de me aban ni dikra me ni be je ho
na otumi hia obi o se adentina aban question chairman untimi adentina aban question MPP for inti yenti bi da inti enye den inti enyina yenkowu mo bodam kenoforiata kromfo wi kenoforiata I did his scandal atamils na mamu nkwasiafo emu dwane ye but at this point ye ma obi ndwane biom every single person ye tie na kenoforiata fa snit fo sika dwane ye but the document be kire mo snit. When you read, go, manko baby, you can just use a AI and Google about Obotan scandal, the Obotan. The Obotan scandal involves allegation of financial misconduct related to a 2.2 million investment. This is 2001, 1990s. We are talking about $2.24 million. Obotan can offer a critique. Me the forensic audit ni chiremo me fan chiremo da u read here or say investment by Ghana's Social Security and National Insurance Trust in a housing project proposed by Kenoforiata's company Data Bank Financial Services. Kenoforiata ni the Data Bank omu create ejuma and omo hihema snit Kenoforiata ewiwe and the moti Ghana catch say mama yen kam wasem kwasiafo. I will say the government needs to go after every single one of you. Now when you read the document, this is what it says. The project, known as Obotan Garden of Eden, was planned in the late 90s but never materialized, raising concerns about the handling of workers' pension funds. Kenoforiata Data Bank in the 90s, omu kreti ejuma ebi enom de swasnet na eye pension for Ghana. Omu anomu ko pension omu sika. 2.2 million dollars. $2.24 million and only the data bank no HC Jumane Masnet. And I can offer way a booyah fast so that time a forensic audit was put together. Go and Google and check it. Inti and I can offer BMS haba BM. Now wabebo chrononia penachina kwasi ebi se aden amotata oforiata oyare. Now when you read the document, let me read the next document in show. Me what document nankasa oho and every time they be ameka I will never sit here and do MMO. About them, made the document in a show. Now, a forensic report accused, a forensic report. I didn't make it up. There was a forensic report put together. There was a forensic report put together. And what did the forensic report say? And this is Kenoforiata. This is some of the dubious things he did. A forensic report accused Data Bank, AWUNA Law Consultancy, and Enterprise Insurance Company Limited, or the Data Bank, Enterprise Insurance, and there was one company called AWUNA Law Consultancy. Sankofu Minsawi, they duped Ghana $2.24 million in the 90s. Unim sika yakan wasem. Do you know sikana yakan wasem? Unim and wasema. Unim sika ketwa. Unim sika ketwa. This is what Ufuriata uses, Enterprise Insurance. The same Enterprise Insurance came back with Ejapadie, with PDS. We have PDS, Enterprise Insurance, and they insurance. We have PDS. Kenoforiata was in PDS. Now it's Ghana near Kasa, Kwasiafo Mayan Kasa, Mope to me. What did to me yet? Now, when you go for it, the report recommended criminal prosecution for key individuals, including Oforiata, but legal proceedings stalled over the years. The scandal resurfaced in political discussions, with critics pointing to alleged nepotism and financial mismanagement. This is Kenoforiata's terminal report. He was supposed to be prosecuted. Atamils in your power, Atamils Jano. Then the Mahama Aba, and Mahama is making sure the right thing is done. Munkwasi afford to Ghana said, ye, obi politics, obi tata, obi more Jimmy Young, more MP before. I am a munim nyansa. In today, I catch them. Me say, what you are seeing today, you are going to see more. You are going to see a lot. You don't even know what is coming. And then I me say, in Ghana for anything. What do you want Ghanaians to do? First, Nana Ghana for any how to search for information. First, Nana ma hijack Ghana media because what Ghana for na mo be Nkwasia radio and na mo de data Ghana for into Ghana for the do what you people want is what Ghanaians believe. For a very long time, about 30 years, na Ghana for any story. You nim no correct because mo ebiebie account for radio na mo de twa Ghana for tro. So when we came in, you want to do everything possible to stop us. No, we are not going anywhere. Ye if you say anya sa enkwasiafo bi te say mo MPP mu no mo be say kro no anything me I am here anything you see my team they are still here anything we are still doing what we are doing obi be say Kelvin Taylor why you juma NDC about power Mahama about power sit back. I'm not going to sit back. I am going to still make sure say maybe mo nkwasiade so akai Ghana for every day make kai Ghana for akopim some party ni ebegu ni ade beti KVIP na me jai me good party no, but I just want to make sure that party never exists on this planet. Me good no. And you see, I am not done with the NPP. Debi ameka chemo, me nya ba yira aberwa dwe o, me nya easy sao. We ye before now here there.